Go, Shanshan. Hello guys, we're now here with Shanshan. Oh my god, ang lalakas ng alon, be. I'm hoping. Ang lalakas ng alon here at Bawang with Shanshan. Yeah.
Wow!
It's wow? This is maganda.
It's not dirty.
It's not dirty? No. We're here at Bawang Beach. Oh, wow, so big galon. Dito po kami sa Bawang Beach with Sunshine. You want to swim now?
Yes.
Yes and yes. Oh, go swim.
Oh, kata.
Huh? You remove your damet? Oh, lakas ng mahangin at lakas ng kanaw guys. Go Shanshan. Doon ko to kuwan ha, malalim ha. Oh my god, ang lalaki ng alon ha. Grabe na lang ng alon. Go, Shanshan! Swimming. Sunset is swimming here at the beach of Bawang. Yan guys. Maraming nagsiswimming sa umaga dahil hindi pa masyadong mainit kaya gano'n. Yung mga resort dito maganda. I'm here, we're here pala at Bawang with Shanshan. Shanshan is swimming. Nasamahan ko lang ang baby ko, gusto daw niya mag-swim dito sa beach ng Bawang. It's so maganda, sabi. The time now is 8:30 in the morning. Hindi pa siya mainit kaya kaya sarap maligo. Laki ng alon na yun ha. Wala mang kwan, siyempre hindi mainit, walang masasunburn. Tapos sarap pa na maligo. Yes! What? Are you finished now?
No.
No? What are you going? Ah?
Sandcastle.
Oh, okay. You make a sandcastle? You make
Ma,
it.
I see it. Look.
Nalampasigan ng bawang. Here at LU. Hey, Sunshine. Where are we going? What are you going? Ginagawa mo? Swimming pool? Oh my God. But there's a big swimming pool here. This one, oh. The dagat. Dagat is? No. Bay?
Bay?
Yeah.
What is the bay?
A dagat.
And what is the cat?
Bay, dagat is ocean. Yay! Grabe. Lalakas ng alon. Mawawala ka man alon, bumabalik ka pa rin. Paulit-ulit sa dalampasigan. Kaya ito ang aking daig. Guys, dito pa rin kami ni Shanshan. 9 PM now, and we're going to home na. We're going to Bawang in our place in Green Valley. Uwi na daw kami sa Tarlac, sabi. Yes, this is a beautiful place, Bawang. Sa Pabigo. Samantala yung dalawa natutulog pa dun sa Green Valley. Guys, let's go, Shanshan. Let's go now. We're going to Tarlac pa. Yan. Napakatahimik. Pero yung alon na malakas dito. Guys. Diba? Sarap-sarap maligo sana. So, may dala ko. Wala kami kasama. Kaya ito, dito na lang ako sa dalampasigan. Kasama ko yung anak ko. Bye, guys!